Hi everyone, greetings from Lahore, Pakistan, and this beautiful model town park once again. Another very beautiful but very important and meaningful quotation I brought to you today. And it says, anger is such a windstorm which extinguishes the lamp of mind. Exactly. The first thing which we lose when we become angry person is our mind, because anger always takes our sanity away. Angers turn off the light of our mind, and that's why we remorse and regret after saying or doing those things or words when we were in anger. So please don't be angry, because the more we will become angry, the more we will give ear to that windstorm which will destroy our lives and relations. Let's talk practically with people if we have any differences or concerns, so that they would understand as well and we would understand as well that what we are saying and what we have to say, so that afterwards we should not remorse or regret. Then don't forget these beautiful words, and they say, anger is such a windstorm which extinguishes the lamp of mind. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe it. Stay happy and stay blessed.